Hey guys, this is a pre-recorded video. I recorded this video a little bit earlier and I didn't, the sound didn't work. And now what I am doing, I am placing this short Euro USD based on my indicator, my trading system that I made a video yesterday. And as you can see here, everything is, let me see if I have a sound here. I'll put it up because the sound system was up. And as you can see, the price, I've placed this Euro USD down trade. Some of them will be in the money, some not. As you can see, we have here, this is the signal on MT4 platform and the Forex Max Profit system. Yes, this is the indicator, and it's combining, as you can see here, the flat trend, MACD, deep bar indicator, and RSI. And let's wait a little bit more. So I'm trading binary options in this video, so stay here until the end of this video because you will see that I catched here. Let me go ahead, and I've placed another trades here, another four trades, because the price, I have that signal and the price is moving down, and these three trades will be out of the money probably. You will see in a second, and the price is going down, as you can see exactly how the signal shows. And we have here a US 30 signal. Let me go ahead and I'll go a little bit here because the core CPI news are nearby. So I traded around 3:30 o'clock, and I've placed also that US 30 signal in my Telegram group, free Telegram group. So go ahead and join my free Telegram group if you didn't so until now, because soon I will make that group, the Telegram group, private. So this is my Telegram group here. So, and as you can see here, this trade were some of the trade were in the money. Still we have the down signal here. So the system, the Forex max profit system, is not repainting. So as you can see, the signal is still here, the down arrow is there. So when you see the down arrow, the red down arrow, the price, it will move down. Some of these trades will be out of the money, you will see, but I've placed other trades, and I'm checking again. I'm checking again if the price remain, even if the price is going up. As you can see, the the down arrow is still there, so that means it's not a repaint trade. And here I've placed US 30 down trade, successful trade. This was $1,200 trade. You will see that I will close this trade live here. So for those of you who didn't saw the video from the beginning, I remember this is a pre-recorded video, and I've put also that signal in my Telegram group here, Need for Spread Forex Telegram group, signal groups. You'll get two, three, four signals, five signals, 10 signals, sometimes depending on the market conditions. And here I'll put those of you who are into this, you know what I'm talking about. All right, so now I put the stop loss, and all of you who are following me, my Telegram group, you were able to place that signal into your account. All right, now the price, as you can see, the price is going down. I still have free trades which are not closed here, and I'm going back to check to see what is happening with the US 30. And let's see Euro USD. As you can see, still we have that signal, so we can still place down trades. But let's see, just wait and see what is happening when I will place some few trades in a row, machine gun trades, as I like to say. Just watch this video. This I have still 1 minute and 18 seconds, as you can see here, from this $400 trades, and I've placed exactly in that in time. You'll see a few gun machine trades. Let's wait a little bit more to see what is happening. I'm trading on Kotex platform as usual. This is my preferred binary options platform, and they are live. They are in the market since 2 years ago. I'm with them for 1 year. Never had problem with withdrawals, and as you can see, the price is pumping back, and it will go down because here I've placed. I saw that it's going up, and I've placed. Look here, look. I think one, two, three, four, five, six, around seven, one, two, three, four, six trades here placed. Yes, $400 trades, and you'll see where the price will go exactly down like the US 30. Also, this is euro against USD. So something happened with the news, and we profit from this. Yes, and the first three trades, $400 trades, were in the money, and you will see right now that everything that also all of these trades are in the money. This is a signal from my friends from 1000 pip builder. I'm also working with them, and I recommend them if you want to join their signals, but you have to pay a fee. All right, deep sell here, another signal we have, and as you can see here on GBP Canadian dollar, because GBP Canadian dollar also goes down, and GBP Swiss franc also, but we couldn't take all this. And as you can see, US 30, we have $1000 here is going up, and I will close this trade with a big profit of $1000. And now I'm closing US 30 trade, down trade, as you can see, with big profit. I hope you were able to profit from this signal that I put in my Telegram group. And that's pretty much is with this trade. Let's wait to see how these trades are closed. And as you can see, all the trades are closed right now in the money, and a profit of $13,250. As you can see, it's showing in my account. I don't remember how much I started this account. I think 11,000, and more than $2,000 profit today. Trading news, is this great or not? So once again, this is a pre-recorded video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, give me a like, and also share this video to your friends. If you didn't join Telegram group, I'll put a link below this video, so you'll be able to join for free, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.